Hey guys, I said I'll be back in 10 months. I'm back in 5. Let's get this started again. So we're actually not going to be working on anything today. I just wanted to let you guys know that I found a new place to work, or a new place to work on my cars, which is incredibly exciting for me. So as you guys can probably tell, it's just a mess in here. I just moved everything about a week ago, and I've been kind of so busy that I haven't had a chance to unpack anything. But I did want to show you guys kind of the new garage that I'll be working out of. So last time we spoke, I told you guys that it was going to be about 10 months before I can start working on cars again and posting up new content again. And that was primarily because I had found a new job in North Carolina. By the way, thank you so much to all of you guys who wish me well in my new endeavor. My new job is a blast. I get to work in the automotive industry, talk about car parts every day with people who are just about as passionate about cars as I am and it's just been a dream come true. So I'm having a lot of fun in my new job, but you guys don't care about that. Anyway, this is a new garage. So I told you guys that it was going to take me about 10 months to get back, and that was because I signed a 10-month lease with a small apartment in downtown Raleigh, which honestly was fine. I thought I could probably stick it out for about 10 months without getting to work on my cars. And my plan was, during that time I would get used to the city, find a new, a more permanent place for all of my stuff, and find a new workspace. And I just couldn't do it for 10 months. I was so desperate to get to work on cars again, and it's just been a torture. You guys can imagine if your day job is to kind of think about DIYers and hobbyists, and you don't get to do it on your own, is just horrible. So I broke the lease to actually purchase a new property. I bought a house for the first time. Well, it's not really a house, it's a townhouse. But much more importantly, it's a townhouse with an oversized 2-car garage, as you guys can see. I think the exact dimensions are 28 by 24, which is much larger than the typical 20 by 20 garage, or sometimes even smaller than that, or those size garages that you would typically find in a townhome. And as soon as I saw this garage, I just fell in love with this place. So I just immediately called up a few realtors and got the deal done within a month, and now I'm moved in. I check out this storage space. This storage space I'm so excited about this. It perfectly fits 2 of my shelving units that I had brought down from Northern Virginia. It has a little space probably for an air compressor, and I can shut the door so I don't annoy my neighbors. But this place just kind of needs a little bit of work. First of all, the lighting just needs to be upgraded. Right now it's just running on 2 incandescent light bulbs and a living room lamp that I had plugged in over there. So lighting is pretty bad, so that'll have to be fixed. A whole bunch of shelving needs to be installed because there's just not that much space for storage, and setting up all of this tools and equipment exactly the way that I want it. So I'll need to take a weekend to just buy a whole bunch of 2x4s and some lumber to kind of put shelving everywhere. So it'll take me a little while to get settled in. I just wanted to let you guys know, hey, we're back. Really excited. I'm reunited with my 280Z after putting it in storage for about 5 to 6 months. Which getting it here was an ordeal. That's a story for another day. But I'm super excited. I'll kind of show you guys how I set up the garage and everything, and hopefully within the next month we can get back to working on this Z. I have so many things planned. I have so many parts that I've been just ordering, even though I knew I wasn't going to be able to work on it for a little while. So I have tons of things planned. It should be really exciting. Thanks for tuning in. Talk to you guys soon.